Turn your PC into a true gaming machine with the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti graphics card. It's based on the state-of-the-art Pascal architecture manufactured with the ultra-fast FinFET, and comes with 768 CUDA cores and 4 GB 128-bit GDDR5 memory. Thus you get impressive performance and capability to experience the latest titles in their full glory. The GeForce GTX 1050 Ti is also loaded with a rich array of gaming-enhancing technologies to improve your gaming experience, like Ansel technology that captures 360-degree game scenes, G-Sync for smooth, tear-free images, and more. This GIGABYTE GeForce GTX 1050 Ti OC4G model can operate, in OC mode, at up to 1341 MHz base, 1455 MHz boost clock, 1290 MHz, 1392 MHz for reference card, to give you more graphics power out of the box. And the dual-fan thermal solution keeps your card nice and cool even in the heat of gaming, without giving out too much noise. The WindForce 2X cooling system features two 80mm unique blade fans and semi-passive 3D active fan together, delivering an effective heat dissipation capacity for higher performance at lower temperatures. The airflow is spilt by the triangle fan edge, and guided smoothly through the 3D stripe curve on the fan surface, effectively enhancing the airflow by 23% over traditional fans. The semi-passive fans will remain off when the GPU is under a set loading or temperature for low-power gaming. It allows gamers to enjoy gameplay in complete silence when the system is running light or idle. Lower RDS(on) MOSFETs are specially designed to produce lower switching resistance for faster electric current charging and discharging at extremely low temperature. Clock speeds, voltage, fan performance, power target can be monitored and tuned in real time according to your own preference through this intuitive interface.